So guys, any website are you creating any email, how we can selecting for particular email backups or all email backups. I'll show the complete procedure here for email backup purpose. Suppose you're creating for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 some emails you have created. I'll give you the particular one email backup or all email backups. I'll show the two procedure. In this purpose, we can selecting for backup here. Follow the procedure. Download full account backup or partial backup, SQL database. Here, forwarding here, every option will be there. Download full backup in list. We can selecting home directory, generate the backup here. The download by email address or change by your Gmail also. Create the backup. This is the first step. Second one, without backup option, go to file manager. In this, just sometimes going to the complete website file, go for upon level option. Here in this email is there, just you can compress and download the email backup. Is a total website email backup will be done. Total website email backup is done. For suppose, if you download individual email backups, like I'm selecting one email here in this check mail. So I'm using by cPanel option. We can log in for webmail also will be here. In this, we can selecting option for download email purpose, hardy option. Select here, open your email. Suppose you can download sent email box, inbox email box. Enter, we can go for cPanel. Individual or we can download for inbox. We can go for hard email. Right click, selecting for export option. Here. This option will be here in this download here. Inbox download. So what we can download option will be here. Export will be download here. And in this, what are the option will be given here? Every option will be there here. If we go for back for same email, the option will be round cube. Round cube, we can't download the email backup. So we can using for hardy or using for cPanel option. So right now, go back, select file manager. In this, you can check it out here. Email backup is done or not, check it out here. So still not done. Now click for compress, zip format and download it. These are all email backup done by where your particular cPanel option. 3 procedure, backup option and go to file manager, select email and compress and download it. And third one, individual emails you can select by webmail and selecting for hardy option and right click, download inbox, outbox, send email. This option will be given in the particular download by the website email database. The complete information will be download for individual emails and all complete website creation email database we can download by one single step. And one more guys, after download this, we can download the file into your particular desktop here. This one here, right click and download. And guys, if you learn more things about the video tutorial, just we can follow my channel Digital Rakesh and Skill to Digital and follow my website skill2digital.com. And Digital Rakesh completely we can tell me about the English, and Skill to Digital we can learn about the Telugu, Hindi, English. We have started recently. We can follow instruction here and know about the complete tutorial for Telugu, Hindi and English option. So we can follow this 2 channels and 1 website to learn the complete digital marketing course. Everything will be here, the particular website information also. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new subscriber, please watch and subscribe my channel. Ask any question in comment box. We'll make the video and we can discuss anything by email. You can chat with the email also. I'll definitely support for any questions on the particular digital marketing information.